Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we downloaded these 4 images. As I said, we are using only free tools and free images to complete this project. So, in today's lesson, in the project number 1, we search for free images, and today's lesson, we are going to edit those images. So let's go and edit the images. It's the first image. Right click on it, open with snip and sketch. These are free tools within Microsoft Windows. So you are not paying anything for it. Let's crop the first image like this. So you click here, you click here. This is what we have. So after that, save it. Change the name to 1 and change this format to GIF. Okay, so now this is the image we just cropped. This is the results of the image we have. So now let's do another one. Let's see, where is it? Okay, come again. Now we are going to crop the second image. Okay, now let's do the same thing. Come here, we are cropping the green one. Okay, come down, the same process. Click here, apply, and this is the results. So we save it, go to the same folder, we name it 2, change the format to GIF. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So now we have the 2 images that we are going to use for this project. So see you in the next lesson. Bye.